Hey guys, what's up? This is DJ Zinhle. Welcome to another episode of Winter Warmers with myself and McCain. Let's get cooking. So today I'm showing you guys how to make a yummy Sunday roast the easy way with McCain. Not me taking it up a notch. The chefs were found shaking. Let's cook. Start with drizzling your chicken fillets with some olive oil. Add salt and pepper. I love lots of pepper. And add some roast sprinkle. Easy. Before placing it in the Philips air fryer. While that's going, let's prepare our McCain roasted veg. Preheat the oven at 190 for 5 minutes. Place the roasted veg into your roasting dish. So it comes with a balsamic glaze sachet. Let's add that for some flavor. Easy. Place the dish into your oven and roast for 18 to 20 minutes. I think it's ready. It smells so good. Wasn't that just easy? I know you're probably thinking, are you joking me? It's that easy with McCain. So try it. And also please tune in next week for another winter warmer from me, Chef Z. Oh, Chef Z. It's coming together. I can see. I need a chef's hat.